that?
We're running out of time.
I might have an idea.
What is it?
Tell us.
Now!
But all this pressure is bad for my 5 hearts.
Oh, no rush or anything.
Well, it's kind of a rush.
Well, I could update Circuitry's operating SAP system. It would probably take an hour or two to really dig deep into a tree manager and see what's happening. Or I could reconfigure her central processing route. The file tree might be inverted, which could be the main source of the problem. Or I could just reroute her.
Bleep blop. What? Why are you all staring at me?